Hi, Namaste. I'm very happy to be live on Facebook in the Wisdom Curators group. करते हैं मस्ती. टॉपिक डिसाइड कर रहे थे तो बात हुई तो दे सेड ओके यू डिसाइड द टॉपिक. ब्यूटी विद ब्रेन्स. पॉइंट बड़ा सिंपल है. ब्यूटी कम्स व्हेन वी आर हैप्पी. And when you're not happy, it is really simple. Wear your favorite dress. But don't make it a habit because you can't wear your favorite dress every day because it has to be washed. So at times, celebrate whenever possible. Just wear your favorite dress. And then train your mind to be beautiful. To live positive emotions, to be happy. Then life becomes beautiful. And coming to brains, everybody says we are unique, we are special. Point is simple. We can decode our brain, we can know ourselves. When we go to school, same teacher, same books, same syllabus, same classroom, but we are different now. So point is simple. We are born with different qualities, beautiful qualities. We can decode our brain, know ourselves. That is peace. So this is beauty with brains. So today's agenda is just very easy and simple. Know self, love self, celebrate self. I've written a book also on this. But I'm not marketing that. But I want every viewer, every participant, every human being to be happy, to celebrate life fully. So that's the secret. So when I give talks in colleges, I ask them, do you like the topic beauty with brains? And what do you understand from it? Beauty is not about papaya facial, gold facial. It's about inner beauty. But at the same time, I have to wear a nice coat, wear my favorite dress also. I have to tell the world, hey, अच्छा लग रहा हूँ ना. So that is the simplest secret. Feel great, feel beautiful, and as I already said, train your mind to see beauty in everything. So thank you, Surabhi ma'am. I'm very happy that you have come to discover more joy, because joyful people invest on themselves. So that's very simple. So when we said beauty with brains, it is a balance. Head and heart. So heart can give beauty and brains can give excellence. So are we balancing it? Some of our friends may be feelers, but you can't keep feeling all the time, because life is a tragedy to those who feel. Life is a comedy to those who think. Feeling is like kichad. The tire will get stuck. And thinking is like the stone. The tire will get torn. When we mix thinking and feeling, balance, then the journey of the road, journey of life becomes nice. And then car goes smoothly. So thinking is like stone, feeling is like kichad. Mix both. So use head and heart both and celebrate life. Very easy and simple. So 2-3 things we will manage today. Know self, love self, celebrate self. So smile more. This is the secret of life. Very, very easy and simple. When you are sad, smile. Just smile. You never know who's falling in love with your smile. And am I in love with my smile? That is the most important. And Creator wants us to smile. And God does not create second rate. Right? So there is a great master who said, God never created you to fail in life. So this is a guarantee. So for the parents who are watching, for the middle-aged who are watching, the message is simple. You are not born to fail. Success and happiness is your birthright. So just go on, achieve your life's goals and be happy. So the next question comes, are we playing to the fullest capacity? So let us know ourselves, know our strengths, and don't tell your spouse or kids, hey, you can't even do this. Yes, I can't do it because I am not you. And that is why I said, in the same classroom, in the same house, we are all different, unique. So celebrate this uniqueness and get into your bliss. I love to talk. So Pragati ma'am invited me to talk. So I'm enjoying. Find out what comes to you naturally, effortlessly. There will be something where you are like Lata Mangeshkar ji, where you are like Michael Jordan, right? And that is what is important. Find that out and just go on, right? Use your strengths, use your fullest capacity, use your potential, and help others use too. Instead of blaming and criticizing, just balance. Achieve success and satisfaction, peace and peace. It is the seesaw of life. Health, wealth, success, satisfaction. You just can't sit on one side. It is a problem. So mix of left brain and right brain. Money and honey. Money and harmony. Both of them contribute to our fulfillment. And that's possible for everyone. So all of us say, R.I.P., rest in peace. But tell me something. When you are not living in peace, how is R.I.P. going to happen? And which is more important, L.I.P. or R.I.P.? Live in peace is very, very important. Live every day to the fullest. Happy birthday नहीं, happy every day होना चाहिए. That's important. That's the power. So don't wish happy birthday, happy birthday. Just get on to one goal in life. I will not be upset. Nothing will upset me. It's not that I have mastered this, but I am on my way. So let's go on. Resolve to be happy. Refuse to be miserable. What cannot be avoided should be enjoyed. The pessimistic view says, what cannot be cured should be endured. So we are special, MBS, most blessed angels. We are TCOs, the chosen ones. So my request to you is, just go on and do it. Like Nike, just do it. Right? When there is no way to avoid it, the only wise way is to enjoy it. And be happy by default. Just like you are miserable by your own fault. So default setting should be happiness. And Buddha is the ultimate goal. We talk about GB or GPS, right? We put in the Google how to go to, Pragati ma'am's house or Surbhi ma'am's house. But where is the GPS of our life? So have some ABC rule in your life. Be awesome. Not awful. When we become awful, we are full of ourselves. So let us rewire our brain to add beauty. Be awesome, not awful of ourselves. Me, 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 me. Me and mine is a problem. Yeah, you must have heard in spiritual discourses, right? So A is for awesome. B is for beauty. Beauty comes when we have love. And we are not love beggars, we are love givers. When we are just giving and giving and giving, and we are celebrating giving, that is the real beauty. And then, as I already said, balance. Head and heart, money and honey, success and satisfaction, all this is balance. Left brain and right brain, work and family, then you won't need a holiday because you are spending quality time. And it is not just about standard of living, a bigger car than Surbhi ma'am, a bigger house than Pragati ma'am. No competition. It's about standard of life. It's about standard of giving, not just standard of living. It's about standard of life, not just standard of living. Material comfort is going to give me nice cushion in the body. Comfort only to the body. But we want love, trust, respect. So mind also needs all this. Respect, trust and love. Not just this. अरे टॉपिक भी तो मजा आना चाहिए. We have a buddhi also. So buddhi needs a great topic. Suppose if you call me and you want me to talk on makeup, I will fail. And if you call me and tell me talk on technology, I will fail. So I need the right topic to discuss. So food for the body, food for the mind, food for the intellect, food for the soul. This adds beauty and brain loves it. Right? So this is beauty with brains. So in life, aren't we receiving more than we ask for? Now most of you may say, no, I ask for more, but I don't get it. So that is desire and greed. But if you start counting blessings, we are receiving more than our capacity, more than we deserve, because nature has already fit in all the beauty in our heart. Nature has already given some signal of wisdom inside, which is adding beauty every moment in our life. But have we decoded it? That is the key. So coming to multiple intelligences, Marx alone is not intelligent. Howard Gardner, in his theory of multiple intelligence, has said so beautiful that we are all very, very, very intelligent. Yes, he talks about 9 intelligences. So I'll tell you a story. It's Iman Hanif's birthday. So immediately Iman says, "Hey, kitna kharcha lagega re?" So immediately logic smart. What is the expense? What do I lose? What's in it for me? Why should I give a party? So all these calculations is about logic intelligence. And they go on to become scientists. They go on to become very, very reasoning, logical, rational, analytical people. And then we say, okay, man, let's write your birthday card invitation in Arabic, Urdu, Hindi, English, Punjabi. So Surbhi ma'am volunteers and writes a great invite. So that's word intelligence. So some of you may be authors, great orators, English teachers, poets. Feelings will write poems. Thinking will write essays. So word smart. But then Iman says, look, I will take care of the party. It is my birthday. I am the host. That's self-smart. Intrapersonal intelligence. So some of your children may have this. So encourage it. And if you don't have it, don't worry. Start writing down your feelings. Start writing down what you think, how you behave. That will increase your intrapersonal intelligence. And Pragati ma'am comes and says, Sunny, please get your friends. Please get your family members. It's Iman's birthday. How can you come alone? She is really a golden-hearted angel. Beautiful human being. So amazing. This is interpersonal intelligence. People smart. And then Surbhi ma'am is running around, serving, helping. Did you eat cake? Did you eat cake? So body intelligence smart people, they run around. They are active. And they know what is healthy, what is not healthy. And then there'll be nature smart people. Like again Iman, dentist and all she is. So she says, look Sunny, everything should be neat, hygienic, organic. So nature smart. And they are Phulan Devis also. They talk to the flowers. So nature smart. And then birthday party, birthday songs, cake song, ring song, all songs. So that is the magic in our brain. The way they talk. What to talk is word smart. But when to talk, how to talk, the right tone, the right message. Like I see a lot of ma'am viewing the show. So the way they talk to their mother-in-law, the way they talk to their husband, and they become so excited and they give life and they can make everybody dance to their tunes. That's music intelligence. The right tone, the right timing. My God, अपनी ही चलती है घर में. So that is music intelligence. The art of sustaining relationships. The art of feeling emotions. You know, husband enters, you come to know. You get a feel. He's in such a nice mood. Let us take those pink notes from him. It is the right time to ask for the diamond ring. In spite of COVID, he gets floored. And he says, yes, honey, all is yours. I can never say no to you. That's music intelligence. And then the last one, not the last one, in fact, the eighth one is picture smart. So the way you look good, your makeup, your color combinations, the right tie, the right makeup, the right streak, that is picture smart. And when we come to your homes, your rooms are so well decorated, the right color combinations. So birthday party enhanced with flowers, the right chair, the right napkins and all. And then the last one is cosmic intelligence. Now you see, logic smart started with what's in it for me. Cosmic intelligence says, what's in it for everyone? What's in it for us? How will I benefit? Nahin. How will I benefit is logic smart. How will we all benefit? How will society benefit? So Iman says, पहले हम orphanage जाएंगे और केक डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. So सबका भला is cosmic intelligence. And if your child is self-smart, if your child's brain is wired with lot of intrapersonal skills, don't worry. He will learn on his own. He will know where to improve, when to improve. So this is a free tip to all mothers watching. So don't boss your children, right? The next step is, if your child is cosmically intelligent, spiritual quotient is high, then please work on your Buddha, your peace. They will find their Buddha, their peace. And they will evolve in this beautiful journey. So this is the homework. Some children are ready-made and they don't obey. But we have to, as mothers, ऐसे कैसे नहीं सुनेगा? मेरा बच्चा है, मैंने पाला है, 9 महीने, छाती पे, पेट पे, right? So that is important, to know whether your child is ready-made, whether he needs nurturing or not, whether he needs that control or not, right? So some of them only need your love, appreciation, hug, food, a touch. Some of them are looking at instructions. Mama, please help me. I will obey you. Give me instructions. Hold my hand. And some children, Mama, मैं देख लूँगा. Beta, should I come and drop you in the school? No, I will manage. Should I come for PTM? No, I will manage. So there are children who are ready-made. They are fire personalities. They love freedom. They don't like control. So discuss. Get into a dialogue with them. That's how their brain is wired, right? And some children feel us. They only need to be loved, appreciated. They are looking at fearless, appreciative, encouraging environment. So this is the simplest tip to handle your children, to find out how their brain is wired. And we at Midna Global, we decode your brains in just 20 minutes. And we have helped over 75,000 individuals. So many families have benefited, right? So now intelligence part is over. School is focusing on IQ. What is IQ? Intellectual quotient. Intellectual quotient is logic and word. Your child is good in maths, your child is good in words. He can write long answers, very good. Solopreneur, जिंदगी भर एग्जीक्यूटिव बन के रह जाएगा. First half of the movie is school, college, marks. But second half of the movie is EQ, emotional quotient. Self-intelligence, people intelligence, mix, emotional quotient. EQ. Are we training our children on that? Think. Okay, emotional quotient is very good. I become a manager. But tell me something. Will I not face challenges? Yes. So body should be nurtured. Nature intelligence. Body plus nature is adversity quotient. Adversity quotient will make us strong, will make us general managers. One step higher. कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है मेरे पास आओ, मैं संभाल लूँगा. I will face it because I am strong and I understand whatever has come from nature, it will die off. Corona is a good example, right? Moving on. CEO बनाना है बच्चे को. Music intelligence plus people intelligence. Music intelligence is, जैसे मैंने बोला, सासू माँ को इशारों पे नचाना, पतिदेव को नचाना, solving people problems. That's what a CEO does. He has the best of the team. He keeps them together and he's keeping the smartest people around him. He's solving their problems. So that's the quality of a great CEO. He's a visionary, right? He knows to handle people. He knows to handle leaders. And then picture smart is solving work related problems. कोई भी problem है, मेरा visual अच्छा है, I'm able to spot the problem and I'm able to solve it. So music plus picture is CQ, creativity quotient. So very, very simple. IQ, intellectual quotient, executive. We need executives. But develop EQ, emotional quotient. Kuch karo. As mothers, as fathers. Put them into group activities. Put them into peer learning, peer teaching. Go to an orphanage, ask them to teach, tell a story, sing a song. They'll become EQ. They'll fight. They'll, create problems, but they'll solve. So team sports, very, very important. AQ, let them face challenges. पल्लू में छुपा के मत रखो बच्चों को. Right? So adversity quotient, to face life, to face ups and downs. Resilience. Next, CQ, creativity quotient. CEO, problem solving. Don't solve all the problems of your children. Uchuchu, puchuchu. Sometimes mother and father are fear oriented. ध्यान से करना बेटा, कुछ हो जाएगा. So we have our design, our brain is wired with fear. So we need coaching first, right? So the last one is spiritual quotient. We could do bhakti if you are a feeler. Love yourself, don't be a love beggar. Else read scriptures if you are a thinker. Read Bhagavad Gita, Quran, Bible, and get to that high and live in that high and stay in that high, right? So then the last one is mix of all this: IQ, EQ, AQ, CQ and SQ. Balance is the key. I need not boast that I have something, because boon is a bane, bane is a boon. If I am too much of a thinker, I'll have problems, because I am not caring. I am stone-like. I am Hitler-like. And if I am too much of a feeler, क्या करूं, कंट्रोल नहीं हो रहा, क्या करूं, अच्छा फील नहीं हो रहा. Sometimes we fail to use our head. So balance, balance, balance. If you have high EQ, low AQ, at least work with AQ also to balance. So first step is decode your brain. Then design your life, design your destiny, carve your destiny, Dr. Kiran Bedi says. And to add beauty to life, Kiran Bedi ma'am says very easily and simply: give, give, give and give. Givers are gainers, givers are happy, givers are joyful. I was 25 when I joined Navjyoti India Foundation. Ma'am said, be a giver. मैंने कहा मैं तो 25 साल का हूँ, मेरे को पैसा चाहिए. आपके पास गाड़ी है, बंगला है, ड्राइवर है, सब कुछ है, and a big house in South Delhi. And ma'am is world famous. She's spoken in the TED. What not? She's achieved everything, so she can tell. But then 7 years working in the slums with the underprivileged students in Navjyoti India Foundation, I realized beauty in life can be added only by giving. So just keep giving. Givers are never upset. Givers are never sorrowful. Givers are upset only when you are asking, hello, मैंने इतना दिया, तूने इतना दिया. So give without measure. Love is a one-way traffic. Love is only giving and giving and giving. So Kiran Bedi ma'am beautifully says, मुझे देने वाला बनना था. And these are the values she was nurtured with. And that's why she became great and she kept giving. तो हमें भी एक सिद्धांत अपनाना है. मस्त रहो, व्यस्त रहो, चुस्त रहो, स्वस्थ रहो. And be a giver. Happy giver. And give to all. Why we are miserable? Because we give to the family of 4. So there is no difference between animals and us. Dogs attached to their family. Cats attached to their family. Pigs attached to their family. Are we attached to our family? So groups like Wisdom Curators should expand. 3K members, 4K members, keep giving. And when you are busy wiping others' sorrow, you will never get sorrow. And even if you get sorrow, you would have so much of wisdom and experience that you can solve your own sorrow. You can dissolve your own sorrow. So this is the secret of my happiness. So I'm very, very thankful to Wisdom family, Pragati Neha ma'am, Pragati Negi ma'am, and Surbhi Pant ma'am. So I'm very, very thankful for inviting me and helping me think good, talk good, and spend time usefully. Thank you. Signing off. Goodbye.